In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archive tasks in ClickUp. If you've ever tucked tasks away to keep your workspace clean, you know how handy archiving can be. But when you need to bring something back into focus, finding those archived tasks quickly is key. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can surface them in seconds, along with a few simple tips to make your search more effective without changing anything else in your setup. Start by opening the search in ClickUp. You'll usually find it at the top of your workspace, often represented by a magnifying glass. This is your command center for locating anything across your spaces, folders, and lists. Once it's open, you can use it as is to look across your work. If you remember part of a task title, a keyword from the description, or even a unique phrase from a comment, this is a great place to leverage that. The more specific your term, the cleaner your results will be. But don't worry, if you only recall a broad keyword, you can still refine things on the next step. Next, open the filter options in the search view. Filters help narrow down results so you're not scrolling through everything in your workspace. You'll see controls that let you refine what shows up in the results. Think of this as turning a wide net into a targeted spotlight. This is especially helpful in larger workspaces where there are many tasks with similar names. Now, locate and open the archive option within those filters. Look for wording like archived or archive depending on your interface. It may appear as a toggle or a filter category you can expand. Enabling this tells ClickUp to include items that have been archived. When this option is active, your results refresh to display archive matches alongside any active ones, or to show archived-only results if that's how your filter is set up. You'll typically notice visual cues such as muted text or an archive badge that make it clear which tasks are archived. From here, you can confirm you've found the exact item you were looking for. If you don't see anything after enabling the archive option, it usually means there aren't archived items matching your current search term or filters. Try a broader keyword or make sure you're searching in the correct area of your workspace. That's it. Open Search, apply the filter panel, and then open the archive option. With this quick flow, you can reliably find archived tasks whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.